In this video, we are going to see how we can create all the inventory items and put their opening balances in Odoo. So we have some inventory from the last year, that is Corolla windscreen, Civic headlights, wheel cups and rear lights. This is the quantity that we have at the opening point along with the rate, and this is the total amount. So to enter the inventory, just make sure that you are in the inventory module and not in the accounting module, because in the accounting module, if you notice, you don't have any inventory tab here. So instead, just go back from this little back icon. Once you hover over it, it will show you the back option to the home menu. And the home menu looks like this. From here, we just head over to the inventory. And here, we can click on the products and click on products again and click on new. So the first inventory is Corolla windscreen. Paste the product here. We can mark it as favorite as well if we have a lot of products and these are some of the common ones that we use. We can mark it as favorite so it shows on the top. We sell this item and we purchase this item as well. We will not expense this item because this is an inventory which we are planning to only buy and sell. Product type is goods. Track inventory. Yes, we want to track the inventory because we want to see the reports. How much do we have in the stock? How much is sold? So it's like that. Quantity on hand. 470 at the opening point. Invoicing policy is ordered quantities, delivered quantities. I'll just keep it default. Sales price, we don't know the sales price yet, but the cost price is 400. Category, you can categorize it as goods. Reference, you can use any further details. You can enter the barcode number if any. And the company associated with this particular inventory is Elite Traders. So this one needs to be chosen so that it can update the record in the accounting module as well. Let's go to sales and let's see what we have it here. Here we just enter the cross-selling items or quotation description. I'll just keep it as it is. Purchases, we can add a preferred vendor, and under the inventory, we have kind of operations here. So we just buy this, we don't manufacture this. If we have some logistics, weight, volume definition, we can enter it here, but this inventory is pretty simple. We just buy it in pieces and we sell it in pieces as well. Let's go to the accounting tab. Income account straight away goes to the sales. So we have product sales here. Expense account is cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold. Price difference amount, if there is any price difference account, we can post it to, let's say, the adjustment entry. Now click on new and let's enter the second one. Civic headlights. Journal information, it's goods. Track inventory, yes. Quantity on hand is 950. Invoicing policy is ordering quantities, and sale price, we don't know the sales price yet. 150 is the rate. Let's put 150 here. Category is goods. Company is Elite Traders. That's it. Sales, purchase, inventory. Just keep all of this as it is. Just go straight away to the accounting and choose 4 for product sales. And we can just write 5 here to put it in cost of goods sold. Adjustment account goes straight away to 999. Let's click new. Third one we have is Prius wheel cups. Copy it here, paste. Journal information, it's goods. Quantity is 250. Ordered quantities, cost is 50. Company is Elite Traders. Category is goods. And don't worry about these taxes. We can get rid of that later on when we enter the purchase invoice or sales invoices. So sales, purchase, inventory, all we'll keep it as it is. In the accounting, we just configure it 4 for product sales, and here cost of goods sold for 5, and the adjustment one goes to this new, and the last one we have is previous rear lights. Journal information, it's goods, track inventory, quantity on hand is 550, ordered quantities, cost is 200, category is goods, visible to elite traders, sales, purchase and inventory as it is, income account goes to 4, goes to 5, and the difference goes to 9. Save this manually. Just head over to product list, back to products, and here all the inventory is saved. It looks like this. And now we just go to the home menu, switch to accounting module, and go to configuration and click on chart of accounts. And when we see the chart of accounts, stock or inventory, you can see that it is not updated. If we click next to it and we click on view, the balance is 0. So basically we need to enter this balance manually by just passing an adjusting journal entry, because when we head over to the applications and click on inventory, we have this products added right here. And if we check the reporting and click on stock, all of the quantity along with the value is updated, but for the initial quantity to be entered, we just need to mention it separately in the journal entry. And after that, since it will be linked in future to the sales and purchases, it will automatically be updated in the movement. One more thing, if we click on the configuration and we click on the categories and we click on goods, you can mention or adjust all the costing methods in future as well. So we want to set it to average costing, and the income account goes to products and sales, and the expense account goes to expenses here. So it's your choice if you want to put it to cost of goods sold. Down payment account is not set, so I'll not set it as well. Click on save manually, and that's how you can adjust that. Now let's go back and click on the accounting tab. First of all, we will check whether we do have any kind of journal entry in the draft or not. Just go to the accounting tab and click on journals and uncheck this posted one. So we don't have any journal entry. Let's create a new one. And under new, we will just put the reference of inventory opening balance, adjustment, and the adjustment date is 1st of January. Goes under miscellaneous operations. Debit should be inventory. Label it as inventory opening balance. The debit amount is the total amount here. So 453,000. On the second line, we will post it as usual to undistributed profit and loss account. Don't worry, after that, we will work on the trial balance and we will match the trial balance with our project. So we will practically follow each and every single step. Now the debit and credits are equal. Just click on post and you move to the journal entries, or otherwise just go to the configuration and click on chart of accounts, and you should be able to see the updated balance in inventory. Here it is. Click on view, and here's the updated balance. So this is how you can create the inventory items in Odoo and also update their opening balances. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.